Alright, so I went from the snowstorm in Atlanta over to the snowstorm in Indiana on our farm. So I'm heading out to pick up my parents. And so it's really cold. It's 22 degrees. I'm not saying that I'm like a true southerner or an Atlantean, but I will tell you, when you get used to it being, 55 degrees and, 40 degrees, when it drops down to, when it drops down to 22 degrees, you kind of feel it. Come on, stay, Gate. I think that'll give me enough room to Oh Lord. Alright, so I just wanted to report on my diary and basically kind of show you I escaped Atlanta safe, but now I'm here. But I mean, look at this road, it's clean. These roads are in the bottoms, which are like really far away, kind of very rural. But see, here's the cows I think they're somewhere in the back. Oh, alright, well.